Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm covering what might be the first warning sign for AI spending. Let's jump into it. Here I have an article from Bloomberg that reports that a Wall Street firm named TD Cowen issued a report that Microsoft has significantly scaled back its data center investments for this year. Obviously, the growth of AI over the last 2 years has been the primary driver of enormous investments in data centers, and Satya Nadella has been clear about his 2025 investment plan. Here's a quick clip as a refresher.
You were investing $80 billion already. How much money do you ultimately put into this?
So this is where, Microsoft is investing $80 billion in capital each year, and this year we're investing. And I'm not particularly in the details of what they're investing.
Okay. And so, but when you look at that $100 billion commitment, $500 billion potential, I don't know if you saw Elon Musk took to Twitter and said they don't have the money. The money doesn't exist, as if this is not really going to happen. What do you think of that?
Look, all I know is I'm good for my $80 billion. I am going to spend $80 billion building out Azure. Customers can count on Microsoft with OpenAI models being there everywhere in the world, serving OpenAI models and other models. That's, I think, what I know.
So what is going on? Everyone is still talking about AI like it's magical and going to completely upend human civilization, but yet here we have a report that Microsoft appears to be curtailing its investment in the space. This doesn't seem to add up, so I've got a few possible theories on this. Let's go through a few. First up, and most obvious, the AI hype cycle might be coming to an end. This seems inevitable to me at some point. I think AI has a ton of potential, but in the near term, I think we're likely to see some periods of disillusion. And unfortunately, this has happened many times with AI, and I think it's going to happen again. Now, I don't think one Wall Street industry report is enough to declare that the hype cycle for AI is over for this period, but I do think it's possible that in a few months we might look back and realize that this was the first indicator of what was coming. Second, even though I think it was mostly a copy or distillation of ChatGPT, it is possible that DeepSeek reignited a focus on efficiency in AI training. Perhaps OpenAI has made a breakthrough and won't be needing as much computing power from Microsoft. Microsoft probably has a bit of information about OpenAI's roadmap, and perhaps they've worked together and curtailed their plans a bit. Thirdly, perhaps the demand for services isn't there yet. Microsoft has been selling Copilot for a bit now, and they could be seeing a slowdown in demand. Training for AI models is notoriously compute intensive, but the inference cost isn't cheap either. And lastly, perhaps it isn't related to AI at all. Xbox has been struggling for Microsoft, and I have no idea how much data center space Microsoft's gaming division requires, but if there are other parts of Microsoft's business that are in similar situations, perhaps this news isn't AI related at all. So there you have it. Either this is a terrible harbinger of the future for AI, or it's nothing at all. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.